This is a review of the MKP Collections handbag with the wristlet wallet that I would definitely recommend. This handbag is for my mother and she likes it. You can see here that it comes with a locker that's a nice touch to the finish. The black, pretty much the color itself looks really amazing. I love how it has every detail. You can see they put in a lot of work for this handbag. And I really love the quality, super high quality. You can see the quality is really amazing. The handbag itself is also lightweight. It doesn't have a whole lot of weight on it for a handbag. As you know, some handbags are very heavy. This one is not the case. It's super lightweight. As well too, for the wristlet wallet right here, you can see this is super lightweight, and you can see here the quality of the finish is really amazing too. It's like the black satin finish, and then you can see it has like some embroidery on it. You can see like the textures. It feels very super soft. It's pretty much a luxury handbag, and you can see the quality is really amazing. I love the details they put in the work into this handbag and the wristlet wallet. And not just that, you also get a MKP Collections handbag as well too, to pretty much store it in if you want to store your handbag so it doesn't get any dust or debris or dirty. You have that as well too. So it comes with 3 total of things that it comes with, and so far the quality is really amazing. You can see that it really, it looks very phenomenal. The inside of it is also very spacious too. I'm gonna open up to show you guys the inside. So as you could see in the inside, you have a lot of space and storage to store in your pretty much anything you can store in. And it has a lot of zips that you have. You have different sides of it. There's like a total, I think, of 5 different aisle selections where you could have like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like the handbag itself is very spacious, and a lot of storage to fit in all of your necessary things that you would want to put in your purse. And the inside quality, you can see, is super high quality too. It has a lot of some embroidery details of it. You can see the lines that it has. It has a lot of the quality is really super amazing. I love how they put in a good amount of work from the inside of this purse and also from the outside of it. You can see how big and spacious the inside of it is. And the purse itself, you can see the quality, super high quality. The finish looks really amazing. It feels very nice too. And I would definitely recommend this handbag if you are looking for a handbag or a purse that is pretty much lightweight, is super spacious in the inside, and it looks phenomenal. Then this MKP collection purse is probably one of the best purses, and I would definitely recommend it. My mom's super happy about it, and I would definitely recommend this purse if you are looking for a new style design purse. Then the MKP collection purse is probably one of the best purses, since you also get the handbag itself, then you get the storage itself to store it in so it doesn't get any dust and debris. Then you also get the wristless wallet as well too, so to pretty much put your any belongings inside, you could use this as well too. So I would definitely recommend this purse if you are looking for a new purse. Then this is probably one of the best purses you could get.